Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a close-up look at the Otterbox Defender case on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This device is extremely impressive, so if you own one, you will want to make sure you are providing it with the right protection to ensure its condition stays intact. So I'll be taking a look at the Defender case today to see if I think the cover is worthy of protecting this device. If you would like to be kept up to date with the latest smartphone tech, please like and subscribe. To attach this cover to your handset, you will have to dismantle the case and rebuild the cover around your handset. To do so, you will have to take off the belt clip, then the rubber cover, and then take off the top part of the inner construction. From there, place your handset on the bottom section of the frame, and then add the top section on top of the phone, and press down until you can hear it click. Then reattach the rubber cover. This process is to secure your phone's position when attached. This heavy-duty case is able to complete the military drop test not once but 4 times over. It provides outstanding protection to your handset. You can feel comfortable knowing your phone will be able to combat the most extreme falls with this case attached. This is ideal for those who take part in adventurous sports and for those who work on construction sites, as your phone will be receiving constant solid protection. Another reason why this case is incredibly good for protecting your handset when competing in sports is its belt clip, especially for when cycling, as cycling clothing doesn't tend to have pockets, but with this belt clip you're able to securely attach your device to you. The case does add a fair amount of size to the already large phone, which is noticeable when holding the device, especially if you have the belt clip attached. The size of the case doesn't affect the phone's ability to wirelessly charge, so you can continue charging your device in this evolved and simple way. The belt clip is able to rotate, allowing you to fit your device to you in a position that is most comfortable. You are also able to transform the case into a stand via the belt clip. If you pull the clip all the way back, it will hold the clip in a position that will allow you to prop your phone up in a way that is easy for you to view. This is handy for when watching Netflix from your phone. The belt clip can be either situated on the front or the back of the phone. Having it attached to the front of your phone will provide 360 protection to your device, as your phone screen will not be exposed. The rubber cover offers an incredible amount of grip to your phone, which is very much appreciated when the device is this big. There is an extreme amount of protection offered to the screen of the phone through the case's steep lip, ensuring that your screen will stay protected when placed down. The external input is covered by a small tab that is easily removed when wanting to charge your device. This has been added to the case so that nothing enters this area and causes no problems when wanting to function this part of the phone. There is a small amount of branding on the cover. This doesn't overpower the overall look of the case. The overall look of the cover is incredibly simple. This case has been crafted for the main purpose of protection, not visuals. If it is a highly protective cover that you are looking for, I would most definitely consider purchasing this one, as this is undoubtedly one of the most heavy-duty cases available to the Note 20 Ultra. Though in terms of everyday use, it may feel a little cumbersome when handling and carrying with you in your pocket. I feel Otterbox have once again successfully created a case with the intention of providing outstanding protection. If you would like to purchase this Otterbox Defender case, check out the link in the description and comments below. For more content regarding mobile accessories and tech reviews, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.